Hello, my fellow planeswalkers, and welcome to a casual deck tech with Saheeli, Radiant Creator. In the deck, we focused on ways to maximize energy, focused on how to utilize our artifacts and get them out cheaper and quicker, and also focus on how to control the board. At the end of this deck tech, there's going to be a slight video showing a good hand. We will now display a hand of what Saheeli Radiant Creator can do. Draw for turn. I'm going to play Evolving Wilds. Evolving Wilds. Land. Sacrifice this land, search your library for a basic land card, put it into battlefield, tap, then shuffle. I'm going to activate that to go get an island. Enters the battlefield, tapped. Turn 2, we're going to draw for turn. We're going to play Spire of Industries. Spire of Industry is land. Tap, add 1 colorless. I may tap, pay 1 life, add 1 mana of any color, activate only as if you control an artifact. I will use the colorless of the blue, and we're going to play Solar Transformer. When this enters, I gain 3 energy. Enters the battlefield tap. I may tap to add for a colorless, or I may pay 1 energy to make any mana of any color. My energy will be represented with dice. We now have 3. Turn 3, we're going to untap. We are going to go ahead and play Overflowing Basin. We're going to tap the Spire of Industry for the colorless to make 1 blue, 1 green. We're then going to tap to make 1 white, 1 blue. Then we're going to activate, pay 1 mana, pay 1 energy to bring out our commander, Saheeli, the Radiant Creator. Turn 4, we're going to draw a card. We're then going to play the Willow Rust Verge land. I can add 1 blue, and then I can add 1 forest. Activate only if I control a forest or an island. I control an island. So then we're going to go ahead, we're going to activate the Spire of Industry. We're going to activate the Soul Transformer. We're going to play Steel Overseer. With Steel Overseer is an artifact creature construct. Tap, put 1/1/1 counter on each artifact creature you control. Because he is an artifact, I get 1 energy. I'm then going to go ahead and use the Willow Verge, Overflowing Basin, and we're going to play Lightning Greaves. Lightning Greaves is a artifact equipment. Equipped creature has haste and shroud. We're going to go ahead and first equip it to the Steel Overseer. Activate. Put a +1/+1 counter on him. Then we're going to move it to Saheeli. So now our commander has haste and shroud. Turn 5. We're going to tap 4 mana to play Nissa, the World Soul Speaker. Legendary creature, elf druid. Landfall. Whenever a land you control enters, you get 2 energy. You may pay 8 energy rather than pay mana cost for permanent spells you cast. We're going to go ahead and play a land for the turn. This will trigger a landfall. Slagwood Bridge is an artifact land. This land enters tap. It is indestructible, cannot be destroyed. Add 1 red or green mana, and I will get an energy because I played a land. Brings me to 4 now. And then I'll also get another energy because the land is an artifact. So we are now currently up to 5 energy. And now I activate Steel Overseer to put a +1/+1 counter on them. As you can see, with the right card combination and with the right draw, you have a lot of options. We're going to pay one, a blue, tap this for blue and green. We're going to play Trophy Mage. Trophy Mage says that when it enters the battlefield, I can search my library for an artifact card with converted mana cost 3 or less, reveal it, put it in my hand, shuffle my library. What I like to go grab whenever this happens is I do apologize, y'all. We will get to it shortly. Repurposing Bay. Repurposing Bay is an artifact. Says I can pay to sacrifice another artifact, search my library for an artifact card with mana value equal to +1 of the sacrifice artifact's mana value. It goes to my hand. I will then use Nissa Landfall ability to get an energy. Brings me to 6. I will then pay 3 for the Repurposing Bay. Repurposing Bay enters, I'll get another energy, which brings me to 7. So as you can see, on turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I already have a board state. I already have at least 7 energy with the possibility of getting more. Thank you for watching our little hand, and we will see you next time.